dun sa defense pattern ng Nexted. There have been balls na pag tiningnan mo, easy ball na for them, but it ends up becoming a point for the Thunderbells.
Good cover by Nogales. Nilipat. Papunta kay Fiola. Riza with the attack. Nothing there. Kiara breaks the block. Back-to-back points for the Chameleons.
As a lefty, I guess mas madali yung transition niya from left wing to right wing. Mukhang pinapahinga rin nila si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Has been playing like a second libero for Zeus Coffee. In your body to absorb the power in that hit.
They go back to her. Anna. Mang Labnan has that area covered. Kiara and Nogales unable to keep it in play. 7. Over-received, but Permentilla couldn't capitalize. Dug by the Guzman. Kiara again, but it's long and out. But Mayang Nuiken now serving. Mondoniedo to Santiago. Return to sender. De Beer goes up. The dive by the Guzman keeps the ball up, and a point for Permentilla, and we are tied at 15.